So yeah, the hoist is typically left on charge. So the carer or parent will enter the room, take the hoist off charge, which is just simply on a docking station. There are two types of hoist unit available in the 200 range, the manual or the electric version. The manual version can be just easily manoeuvred to where the user, say for example, they're lying on a bed. The electric version will be taken with the press of a button. The hoist unit, you lower the tape and the spreader bar down. You would connect up your sling to the spreader bar. Once you've connected, you simply lift up, pause to check and make sure that nothing has become dislodged, and then continue to lift. Once the patient is off the floor, off the bed, you can transfer to wherever is needed, depending on the type of hoist system. If it's a straight track, you'd be over to one side of the bed into a chair. A full H-frame system would then take you anywhere in the room or into a connecting room, where you'd simply then lower back into the chair or bath or wherever you're lowering to, and disconnect the sling.